Welcome back to our channel Kaisho Healthy TV, where we explore natural remedies for common health issues. In today's video, we'll be discussing some effective solutions for leg pain, rheumatism, varicose veins, cramps, arthritis, headaches, and joint pain. These remedies are completely natural and can help alleviate your discomfort, so let's dive right in. Leg pain can be caused by various factors, such as muscle strains, poor circulation, or nerve damage. To relieve leg pain, start by incorporating gentle stretching exercises into your daily routine. Stretching helps improve blood flow and flexibility. Here are a few stretches you can try. 1. Calf stretch. Stand facing a wall, step 1 foot back, and keep it straight. Bend your front knee while keeping your back heel on the ground. Hold the position for 2 or 3 seconds and switch legs. 2. Quadriceps stretch. Stand near a wall, or hold onto a sturdy object for balance. Grab your ankle or foot and gently pull it towards your buttocks. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat on the other side. 3. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the edge of a chair, with one leg extended straight in front of you. Lean forward, reaching for your toes while keeping your back straight. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and switch legs. Rheumatism and arthritis can cause joint pain and inflammation. One natural remedy you can try is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. You can incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, smoothies, or by taking a turmeric supplement. Remember to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. Golden milk. Start by heating a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, in a saucepan. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Stir well and let it simmer for a few minutes. Enjoy this soothing drink before bedtime or whenever you experience joint pain. Now, let's talk about varicose veins. These swollen, twisted veins can cause discomfort and pain. To alleviate symptoms, elevate your legs above your heart level whenever possible. This helps reduce swelling and improve circulation. You can also try wearing compression stockings to provide gentle pressure and support to your legs. When it comes to headaches, tension and stress are often the culprits. One effective natural remedy is peppermint oil. Its cooling and soothing properties can help alleviate headaches. Simply apply a few drops of peppermint oil to your temples, forehead, or the back of your neck, and gently massage the area. You can also add a few drops to a diffuser or inhale the aroma directly for quick relief. Lastly, let's address joint pain. One natural remedy that has gained popularity is the use of ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. You can incorporate ginger into your diet by adding it to teas, smoothies, or meals. You can also try applying ginger essential oil topically to the affected joint. For localized relief, here's a simple ginger tea recipe you can try. Peel and grate a small piece of fresh ginger root. Boil a cup of water and add the grated ginger. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor. That's all for today's video on natural remedies for leg pain, rheumatism, varicose veins, cramps, arthritis, headaches, and joint pain. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these remedies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and remedies. And as always, take care of your body and prioritize your well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.